I am out here on a brand new boat. My buddy Fletcher decided he wanted to buy a boat and do some fishing. So we threw a fish box in the back of this boat and we're taking it fishing. This is a brand new 25-foot Carolina Skiff. We filled some coolers with ice. We threw this big fish box in the back. Now we're ready to go fishing. We got this thing all rigged up in one day, and this is the Maiden voyage. We're gonna go get them, right, Fletcher? What up, dude? Woo! Alright, we got some mackerels chewing back here. The water's a little bit dirty, so we gotta reel our spoons a little slower than normal. But they're all really big ones. So I'm just reeling super slow until I feel my first bite, and then I speed it up. Oh, they're on it. Oh, there he is. Oh, cut me on. Okay, there is my spoon. And that's what you don't want to do. Right there. Lose your spoon. So I'll grab another spoon to try. Nice fresh one. Let's see how long this one lasts. No shame in losing a $10 spoon. It happens. Right, Fletcher? It happens. Now your next one on. We're chasing Spanish mackerel today. We're going to see if we can fill up this fish box with Spanish mackerel and feed the world. We got a fresh spoon, a big custom spoon. Let's see what happens with this guy. Pass it out as far as you can. Yeah. Kind of pull it real slow. And if you feel him start hitting on it, Alright, we've only been fishing a couple minutes and we're already filling this box up. These are big giant mackerels. They're awesome. These are what we call jumbos because they're above 3 pounds. And these are, I mean, look, they even dwarf that 3-pound bluefish. These are just the best eating size, and the market pays the best price, and that's what the consumer wants. So that's what we're catching today on these big old spoons. here's what we got. The box full of giant Spanish mackerels. They are all big ones. I mean, these are all really nice size. High quality. High quality seafood right there. Ready to go shipped around the world. And look at this mess. Who is going to volunteer to scrub this boat down? You?
Yeah, my boat, my responsibility. Can't do it.
Got mackerel, gut, gills, fish everywhere, blood everywhere. Holy cow. I got blood all over me. My hands are a mess. Oh, look at the boat. Look at the cowling. It's brand new. Now look at it. Need some bleach, some soap. Get this guy back in there, put some more ice on these guys, and we'll be ready to roll. Bust it out. Scoop. Come on. Get these babies all nice and brine. More ice, more ice. Yeah. More ice, more ice. Now all this salt water in here is going to get real cold. And then it's going to get super cold and get these fish nice and firm and cleaned off and washed off. And as soon as that happens, you know, after about an hour, I'm going to pull the plug and drain all this water out, and then they'll be nice and clean, layered in with the ice as it goes in between the fish. And it works out perfect. We call that a brine. Now let's get heading back to the fish house and weigh these fish up. Now we got to go sort these things out according to size, by weight.